Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the user interface jumper wire harness in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit or a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer's lower access panel. Pull the panel up to remove. Next, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the control panel. Pull the panel down to detach. Release the wires from the retaining clip and set the panel on a towel or blanket. If still intact, depress the tabs to release the old jumper wire harness from the washer user interface board and the dryer user interface board. To install the new jumper wire harness, connect one connector to the washer interface board and the opposite connector to the dryer board. Secure the wire in the retaining clips. Secure the main wire harness in the retaining clip, then reposition the control panel. Replace the mounting screws. Realign the access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.